There are strategies that work now, and there are strategies that work forever. I'm going to show you a method that will never let you down if you learn how to use it at least once. Sometimes it happens when I don't have enough money for something important, and I do the same thing every time. First of all, I open the top indicator from AlgoAlpha. Second of all, I log to my pocket option account. And third of all, I make 3-4 cool trades. And the fourth, I withdraw the profit. I will teach you how to trade the way I do if you finish to watch the video. I'm sure you've never come across this way of analyzing and making money. Well, let's get right down to business. We have the first signal. Now we are going to make a trade with you. For 2 minutes, I will gradually tell you in general where we are going to start today, how to trade with this tool, and why it is so cool. First, we need to create a free account on the TradingView platform. Once you have created one, you open any chart to full screen, and the most important thing is here to add all the currency pairs that are on your platform. I mean that I trade on pocket options, so I add all assets without the OTC label. I mean ordinary pairs like euro dollar and so on, and the same assets I add on TradingView. For this, I click here on the plus, select Forex, and write the name of your currency pair, let's say euro dollar, and from any supplier we can add this currency pair. We click here on the plus, go in the data chart, and the data on your broker are absolutely the same. You can compare it yourself. Now the matter is left for Lilo. We just need to add this cool automatic indicator on which we will soon get a profitable trade. To do this, we go to the indicators panel, and here we write the name of the author, AlgoAlpha. And this indicator is called TransSignal. We add it with one click, and accordingly we get signals from this indicator. The signal we had on this currency pair. The signal came down, we quickly reacted and opened the trade. Of course, it could have been opened a little more profitable, but in 5 seconds it will close and bring us $92 of profit. But while we are trading here, my robot has already sent us 4 signals, and all these 4 signals closed and plus. By the way, please note that these signals have a time frame of 15 minutes, which means that you have plenty of time to open a trade on the signal and get identical results. And this is, by the way, the daily signal statistics of this robot. Let's refresh the page with you. Here we can see its result for each day. Let's say that today we have 14 pluses and only 4 minuses. This is a very good statistic. If you want to test it out, follow the link from the description. So we have the following signal. Here I will open a short trade for a minute because we already have a rather aggressive growth and it can continue, but I think it will not be so long at least. We can update this high. We have a signal to go up here, and the indicator is a classic area where the chart is usually located. As soon as we get out of this area, we get an imbalance in the market, and thus we get a signal. I mean that we usually enter the trade on the next candle after the signal and at least 1 or 2 Japanese candles after the down signal or after the up signal we can take with you. Here it is necessary to be very careful with the time of the trade, to feel the market correctly and to choose the time frame, because let's say now our trade may close unsuccessfully. We will have to open 2 more trades. I will open 2 trades at once. I think that the upward trend will continue, but we did not have enough time to support this trend. All in all, not a bad trade. The market continues to slowly rise, but I think we haven't reached its full potential yet. So let's open another up trade as well. So we have in a second closest candle. I set the time 1 minute, $200, and I open a trade on the downside here. The signal we have fully confirmed as a candle formed, and we on the next candle just enter the trade on the downside. There is a level at the bottom, but it is more of a magnet for us than an obstacle because we still have a distance to cover to this level. If the level would be right to us, I would think about whether we should place a trade here or not. But so far, everything is working according to the plan. Wow, this is a very cool trade we got. We are just now updating this level and maybe we will move in upward direction. So we have this last signal. I think we will place a trade here and also for 2 minutes for maximum confidence, $200. Let's go. The signal comes at the exit of this gray area. We have already traded on this asset and after the high we have a downtrend. And we are now essentially trading with you on the trend. Due to the steep and favorable entry point, we get with you another confident trade, X2. To the balance we have today, we got even a little more. And this is just what I need because now you can make a withdrawal request. Friends, thank you all for watching this video. I hope this strategy will help you realize your dream or do something really important that you have wanted for a long time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.